Deck washing is an essential practice on board ships, not just for aesthetics, but for safety and maintenance. A clean deck ensures that crew members can move around without slipping, and it prevents the buildup of salt and other corrosive materials that can damage the vessel over time. Understanding the best methods for deck washing is crucial for effective ship maintenance and compliance with SOLAS regulations. When it comes to deck cleaning, one of the most debated topics is the choice between high-pressure washing and air-pressure cleaning. High-pressure washing is often favored for its ability to remove stubborn grime and salt deposits quickly. It uses water at high velocity, which can effectively dislodge dirt and contaminants from the deck surface. However, this method can also pose risks, such as damaging the deck surface or causing water to seep into areas that should remain dry. On the other hand, air pressure cleaning is a gentler approach. It utilizes compressed air to blow away debris and salt, making it less likely to harm the deck surface. This method is particularly effective for delicate materials or in areas where high-pressure washing could lead to damage. While it may take longer to achieve the same level of cleanliness as high-pressure washing, air pressure cleaning is often more sustainable and safer for the ship's integrity. The best scientific process for deck washing combines both methods, leveraging the strengths of each. Start with air pressure cleaning to remove loose debris and salt. This initial step minimizes the risk of damage and prepares the surface for a more thorough cleaning. Once the surface is clear, high-pressure washing can be employed to tackle any remaining stubborn stains or buildup. This two-step approach not only ensures a clean deck, but also adheres to SOLAS guidelines, which emphasize the importance of maintaining a safe working environment on board. Incorporating regular deck washing into your maintenance routine is vital for ship corrosion prevention. Salt and other contaminants can lead to significant structural damage if left unchecked. By maintaining a clean deck, you not only enhance safety, but also prolong the lifespan of the vessel, ultimately saving costs in repairs and maintenance. In conclusion, effective deck washing is a blend of scientific methods and compliance with SOLAS standards. By understanding the differences between high pressure and air pressure cleaning, and by implementing a systematic approach to deck maintenance, we can ensure a safe and efficient working environment on board. Prioritizing deck washing is not just about cleanliness, it's about safeguarding the ship and its crew for the long haul.